Hey guys, Blade Psycho here. But today I'm Zippo Psycho. I got a request to do a couple, or actually show off my Zippo collection. So here we go. Yeah, background it's Netflix. I bought this. Most of it I purchased on eBay. But this is I guess Japanese or whatever, where they put the stuff all the way around. I had another one, a gold one, but I gave it to a friend. But yeah, never used. Real nice. Doesn't fit in a pouch, but it's nice. This one is a replica of Sucker Punch. And you can find these pretty expensive also. I don't use it. And this one I got from Germany off eBay. It's a Dragon Eye. May have used it once or twice. Freaking expensive. This one and this one would equal the price of an 0561 or an 0550. Yeah, I was stupid. But who cares? This one is my grail. This one no longer made. Can't find it. Or it took me a year or longer to finally find it. It is El Diablo. I believe it's what, 2006? 2005. Yeah, I use this one a lot. It's my favorite. And yeah. Then I found this one. Someone had taken it off. Oh, I found one like this, but they put it on this side. And I didn't want it because it's not like this one. And then I found this one. Ooh, look at that mirror. Whee. Real shiny blue. But yeah, this came off. I had to super glue it again, left and right. Yeah, I'm still sick. Who cares? And of course, this one's Call of Duty, Black Ops, laser engraved. Cool, huh? Are you dizzy? Are you dizzy? Huh? Huh? You know you are. Yeah. Do 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 do. Oh, do 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 do. And then here is the Modern Warfare 3 one, laser engraved. Got these last year. Alright, second row. What's funny is the story behind this one. I was using it at a bar and went and sat in my car, got out of the car, and came home, and it was gone. So I thought I left it at the bar, so I went to the bar. Nope. And so I ordered another one cheaper because I liked it. Yeah, it's 5, 6 in the morning. And I was thinking about Jack in the Box. Anybody else hungry? I am. And so I ordered another one, and guess where I found it? Under my car seat. I didn't think to look there. So I gave that one to a friend also. Let's see, was that all of the first row? No, I forgot this bad girl. I got it because I like vampires and kinky. It says bite me. Yeah, I use that one a lot. Yeah, that one actually goes right there. Let's see, was there another one on the first row? No? Okay. You got that one. Sits there. Oh, check this out. Don't ask me why. Yeah. I got another one. Just the 3D is kind of funny. Let's see. Then I believe, oh yeah, of course, Leonard Skinner, dudes. I had to get this one. I used it a couple times. Then got, oh, this one I got on eBay with another one that has nothing on it, but had my initials. So I was like, holy shit, that's awesome. I was happy. Yeah, that one's been used. Then you got this one, the flamed Zippo. Real nice. And of course, you got these guys. 007. Doo-doo-doo. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Yeah. GoldenEye and just 007. Oh, guys, I gotta blow my nose. Oh. Fucking hate allergies, you guys. You know what? How about some music now? I guarantee none of y'all know who this is, so don't even bother. But I'll tell you anyways, it's Septic Flesh. Great band. I saw them live before they opened up for Cradle of Filth one year. Oh my god. It was awesome. And this is actually the album they sang. Anyways, here's my Vietnam Zippos. Got one from Toi Hoa and Kason. Yeah. Actually, it should be like this for the years. But I thought that was cool. Airborne and Cobra. Highly used. Bottom used. From a guy here in Texas. That's the smell of death in the morning. You've been in the army, the more hell you've gotten. But yeah. That's those. And then I got this, this is probably my last Zippo I purchased. Obviously, from SHOT Show. Thought that was cool as hell. Never used. God, kind of miss smoking, sort of. Oh. Well, one thing about these are, you don't have to throw away the flick it and have the after smell. Of course, can't have a collection without Buddha. And for some reason, this one has no click sound. I've switched it out with several of these. Yeah, I've got 2 extras. And doesn't matter. I don't know why. It's just so neat. Then, of course, you got the Death of Spades. Yeah, I use that some. And then I got the Special Forces. Best for the best, I like the rest. Hardly used. And I got this one when I was with my brother and his family at the Virginia Mall. I think so, yeah. Up in Suffolk or Norfolk. And saw this on a kiosk. Had to buy it. I mean, skulls, dude. Look, skulls. Skulls. A Skull 360. And of course, can't have one without Mushroom Head, dudes. I got this, and a guy gave me a shit. Um, oh, it was when I'm same dude that does the Modern Warfare 3. I bought this, and he gave me a dog tag with this on one side and this on the other side. I mean, it's awesome. All right, let's go on to the next ones. I've got 2 Final Fantasy ones in my little box up here. I need to add those, but if my brother sees them, he'll kill me. Because I think, well, one of them's his, laser engraved. Alright. Alright, we got Naruto. Got this at Anime Pop Shop. I don't use it. I never used it. Or maybe I did, I don't know. I can't recall. And then, of course, this Naruto. It was my brother's and I stole it. Or took it from him. I think he liked fire. And of course, you got the dark kind of black ice. Yeah, the black ice with the death engraved. Never used. I don't know what it is about Zippos, guys. They're just so freaking neat. Flick it open, flick it open. Kind of like a knife. But if you don't have a knife, you can use a Zippo. Next is, I decided I was like very religious at one point. You know, you go through phases. This is that one phase, so I had to get one. Never used it. Then, of course, this bad boy. Yeah, how ironic is that? You put an upside down pentagram next to a cross. I just now noticed that. Troll. Ah. And of course, my lucky clover. I use that one a lot. It's a nice one. And of course, who is that? Who is that? Yeah, that's Shadow. Yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Now I saw this on eBay. I was like, hells yeah. I'm getting that. It's my baby. Used it a couple times. Let's see what year? 2011? Got this, my brother's in the Navy. And he was stationed for 3 tours on, or deployments on the Truman. And I've actually been on it. It is freaking huge, y'all. It's like, it would probably be like one of my Flextronics buildings and a half another one, or 2 of them. Oh, God, I can't fucking breathe. But anyways, this was, they had a bunch of stuff for sale, and this was one of them. And it just reminds me of what my brother did for this country and the Truman. Alright, next ones. Oh, these ought to kind of freak you out a little, or not. Okay, first off, we got the, as the Gunslingers, the VFA 105. It's an Air Force group of fighter jets, and most of them are women. I mean, it was awesome. But they did a demonstration for us, and they had their little booth, and I bought this one because they had 2 others, but I thought the Gunslingers were the coolest. Then, of course, my brother got this one in Italy. As you can tell, it's a little different shaped. But, yeah, there's no thing, so that's from Italy. And of course, yeah, this ain't really a lighter, but, you know, anime, Death Note, whatever. Sorry for hitting. And of course, you gotta have Hooters, right? Hooters, y'all. I mean, come on. Great wings. Oh, alright. Now this one I got from my uncle. This is actually my first lighter. Or, sorry, Zippo. and it's a Dundee. And he had it, and I saw it when I was little, and probably like preteen, and started playing with it. Yeah, you can tell it's been used. Doesn't flick like it used to. But yeah, that was my first actual Zippo. Alright, next up, we've got a star. Or no, this is FK Flame. Dragon on both sides. Looks like the dragon from Dragon Ball Z, eh? Thought that was neat. Kind of cheap. Then, of course, you got the Skull Cross Flames. This one's a star. Isn't that cool how it kind of comes out there? Then I got this one. This is a star also. Or not. It's Zentai. Tai. Oh, since 89. But yeah. I thought that was cool. On the back. You know I'm born to lose. Oh no. No gamblings for fools. But that's the May. Like it. What? I can't fucking read that. Like it, babe? I don't know. I don't. Maybe y'all can tell me what the hell it is. Alright, moving on. We're almost getting there. Alright. Y'all tired, Michael? Alright. No. Tapo. Alright. This is that blank one I was telling you guys about. And then, let's see. Got another cheap, Bible stuff. Of course, well, I bought it used, I guess. I can't remember. And my favorite band, Cradle of Filth. Use that a lot. Yeah, it's cheaply made. I mean, come on. Blue Grape. They do a lot of heavy metal stuff. And then this one, my brother got me from Greece. Let's see. That other one was Italy, right? Yeah, this one I believe is Greece. Marseille. Or is that France? I can't remember. But yeah, he got me 2 Zippos. Of course, he got a nice one from France that lights up. They got the One Piece. Really great anime. Of course, Final Fantasy VII, Advent Children. Great anime movie. And then all you cowboy fans, you're going to hate me. But I don't care. Kiss my ass. My sister-in-law is a big Eagles fan. And after, let's see, after one of my favorite quarterbacks retired, I just didn't have a team. So I told her to be an Eagles fan. What the hell. And then I got these in like a lot. of lighters for sale, or I bid on them, and this is what I got. It's I don't know, a Wingardium Leviosa. I just lost a bunch of whatever. Oklahoma, and I have no idea. Oklahoma? But yeah. And then here's my DuPont. Yeah, there it is. My JT DuPont. Made in Paris. Oh, I love that pink sound. I saw a YouTube video and yeah, it needs juice. I love this. Here, gives you the time for all the countries. Well, most countries. But this is the 007 one. And I looked at real ones. And they have the same exact design. I paid $100 for this. And the other ones are like $300 to $3,000 to $5,000. But this one's like a semi knockoff. But still, it's real. I think the other ones have a different type of bullet or whatever. But I had a black one that I gave to a friend. But it's pretty neat. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Let's see. I forgot how to take it out. Oh. Let's see. Oh, just fucked my finger up. There we go. And then you change that, change out the something, then click that back in and it's good to go. But yeah, guys. Oh, I can't breathe. That's it for my, well, I got other lighters and crazy shit, but tell me what you think. And also, if you haven't subscribed me yet, subscribe me and enter that contest. I triple dog dare you. If you don't, I'll do nothing. You won't be able to get some of the good prizes, which I will probably show in my next video, because I have some other stuff on the way. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful Sunday. And I'm probably about to go out and get me something to eat, because I am starving. And I didn't get any sleep. I slept real late last night, or yesterday.